Every day you survive in this circle, you get $1 million, and you have all the food and water supplies. How do you feel?
I miss my family.
So why do you want to... Oh, wait, wrong skin.
So why do you want to win the gazillion dollars, Vic?
I want to win for my autistic daughter with one leg and no eyeballs.
What is better, a Hershey's bar or a Feastable bar?
Ooh, I'm actually feeling some Hershey's. I can't.
A Feastable bar, Feastable bar!
Jimmy, I saw this video that says you fake your videos.
So now to the biggest twist of the video, you gotta lick your own balls.
Alright, bro, I really need to watch this tutorial. What is this, bro? Oh, this one looks good.
Yo guys, it's me, Anal Pro 73, and today I'm gonna show you how to build a house in Minecraft. So all you have to do is follow along with this time lapse.
Bro, thank God I can actually follow along with this time lapse. Wait, it's getting quick.
And we're done.
Alright, well, this is what I came up with. I mean, it's quite similar to the tutorial, I guess.
This looks ass.
What? Why are you being
This looks ass. But you know, the flag kind of reminds me of something very familiar.
Yo, what is this, bro? I thought we left this trend 2 years ago. Alright, anyways, I'm saving the baby, bro. Are you coming? Huh? Alright, bro, you better move now. Your dad's stuck, bro. What are you gonna do?
I don't give a shit.